So this is the ash after you've burnt the wood. Is there a length of time that we need to leave the ash before we can use it in the garden?
No, this time of year, spring, put it on straight away.
Yeah.
As long as you don't get it on the green leaves, it might burn it because it's a bit alkaline.
Yeah.
Once you don't use, try not to get your hands in it and get it wet because it'll burn your hands as well. It's caustic. But, it's been there for a while. It's been there for a year or so, and it's not too bad there.
How to apply this ash that we've got, this potash?
Just a sprinkle, just to cover it, not too much. You don't want it inches deep. Enough you can see where it's been.
Now this is okay going on green foliage because it's been ash that you've left for a while, isn't it?
Yeah, this is. It's been here for the last year, this one. I've got some from this year, but I've not used that yet.
And that's all it is, it's a dusting, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it. You get a rain on there, it'll take it in. Just don't get your hands in it and then get your hands wet because it'll burn your hands, it's caustic.
It's particularly good for acidic ground that you want to try and raise the pH of. Lovely. So that's how we apply potash, folks.
Start for fruit bushes, bulbs, anything that has flowers on it, fruit on it. The rain will get in it and wash it in then. I've not weeded all this yet, so I'll do as far as I've got.
See, I wouldn't have thought about putting potash into ground with bulbs in it. What bulbs have you got in there?
Got hyacinths, daffodils, tulips, crocus. Some you can see is starting to flower now.